word is John verse 10:9. The word says, who will enter the gate will be saved. When you go through the gate to be saved, then you're going to have a relationship with Jesus Christ. But I'm going to tell you guys a beautiful story about a boy. There was a boy who spent time with his father building this boat. Him and his father building this boat. They're building this beautiful boat. The next day they take the boat to this beautiful farm on this beautiful river. And the boy was so happy and the boat was going on the river, and the next moment there come a big wind, blow and blow the boat away. The boy was very sad. Then the boy go home and cry and cry and cry. But the next morning, the boy stand up and he was planning to go to town. And when he was at town, he was walking, and the next moment, he saw his boat there in the window, and he started running. And he told the manager, that is my boat. Then the manager said, that is not your boat. If you want that boat, you need to buy that boat back. The boy run home, break the big box open. And he break the box open, all his money he had work, and he take all the money and run back to the shop. And he gave the man the money. And the boy take the boat and he says, little boat, first time I have make you, the second time I buy you back. Who of you children can tell me what's the story about? I will tell you. What is the story about? Amen. You're nearly close. But the boy is Jesus. And the boat is us that God have created. And when the wind go past us, that is sin. When we done something wrong, we want to run away from God. But God hang on the cross